Mark and Sam. Hey, man, this is like my third, fourth, maybe fifth time. Tukta's dad, Hovat, he's the one who told me about this place. He said anytime he comes here, he always has to stop by. Every time he comes to Laos. How you doing? All right. So, but yeah, we're over here at Savoy again. Yesterday I brought Chanita, and she took some food home. I ordered a bunch of food, and man, I'm telling you, this place is delicious. So I got the guys out here today, Billy, his wife and kid, and then all the boys and the gals and the, you know, the crew. So we're gonna eat sap sap, kin sap sap, muck sap sap, Mark sap sap, sap มัดส่วนเนาะ ไปเข้าไปไหนถามหมวดนี้ they're always late, man, always late, always late. Biggest pet peeve of mine. Don't be late. Ask my wife. When she's getting ready, I'm like, go, we gotta get there. I like to be at that place on time. I don't like that loud time or whatever time they call it, you know, that island time, late time. The island time is just slow time. But yeah, let's not be late. All right, Marcus Sapp, my cup at night. But I do got Mons POV up in here.
I'm always on time.
Yeah. Let's go. So last time I came, you know, they had a big party the last time I did a video. And so it was loud. But this time, not a big party. Yesterday, no big party, but I didn't want to video record. But yeah. So I told him to get this table ready for us. I don't know how many people. Are you but maybe this should be fine if there's more than, you know. All right, look at that. We got everybody. Look, Matt will mean what?
Hold on. I gotta check my afro. I gotta check it out.
It's hot in here though. Yeah. What's con mala? Okay, look at this. Aaron. It's all right.
Coming with you.
So how you liking Laos so far?
Great.
Yeah. Is it too hot for you? It is.
I love you more.
Yeah.
Dig it?
Right.
Two?
So what are you looking forward to?
Pool.
The pool? All right, let's go to the pool. You know, Uncle Matt has a pool at his house.
I do.
Yeah. And it's about that deep.
Yeah. 4 feet deep.
Wow.
You know so? Yeah, he knows swim.
All right.
You know how to dive and swim.
I think
Oh yeah.
tomorrow's hot enough.
Dude, you gotta listen. I'll show you how to swim, bro. I took Olympic swim classes, man. Yep. The butterfly. Dude, let me do the butterfly. You know how to do the butterfly?
I already know how to do that.
Yeah, you already know how to do that?
I think
Do you know how to do the Tootsie Roll in the pool? It's like when you're drowning, you just roll around. Like Uncle Flip at Vang Vieng. He was doing the Tootsie Roll.
Dead. 1 Tootsie Roll. Dead. He was dead. I had to go help, bro.
Glad he's alive.
He was dead.
He's not alive right now.
Just roll around like a Tootsie.
At least you know going to family.
I'm not doing that.
นี่เด้อมื้อสุกคน
You order two of everything?
ซุปหน่อไม้เด้อมื้อวานนี้มากินแซ่บ
Soup for mine.
ลาบก็แซ่บอ๋อแซ่บมื้อสวนมิสเตอร์ดอนก็มาและแอโรสมิธก็มามนก็มามอนส์พีโอวีก็อยู่หัน
Yeah, I know.
เอลก็อยู่นี่บักกายบิลลี่เบบี้โลมิสเตอร์แมทบ่มีหนวดโอเค
Right now.
and then มีหลานเอรอนนั่นดอโอเค You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
กินลาบร้องเบิงหักมากินเคยกินแล้วแซ่บอยู่นี่เผ็ดแล้วกัดเผ็ดใส่อีก
What's that?
มดแดง
Oh, you find what there?
Yeah.
มดแดงขนาด
ไก่มดแดงเนี่ย
Go ahead.
Wait that's the egg part
It's
right
มดแดง
แม่นบอกไก่มดแดงครับ
You did.
I can't eat it I'm here I'm allergic to it.
What that?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
You sure?
Soup หน่อไม้เด้อว้าว
กินแล้วกินยาแก้ๆ
soup หน่อไม้
You
แซ่บ
tasted
แซ่บ
that.
ขนาด
You put so much stuff in.
All right, El. Tell me how that ant larva egg tastes. Is it?
They mixed a lot of stuff in it, though.
I know.
Is it everything that you dreamed of?
Too much
Yeah, you
stuff.
better say no.
It's good, huh? Okay.
It's not good.
เป็นมาได้เมื่อสักคนแซ่บบ่
Yep.
แซ่บบ่เอ้
Good.
เอาเมื่อสักคนกินลุงเด้แซ่บบ่บ้านนี้ครับเนาะเมื่อวานนี้ข่อยมาเนี่ยมานั่งมานั่งน้ำชินีได้แซ่บหลายแซ่บหลายห้านนี่เพราะว่าขอบใจหลายๆเด้อบอกนี่ลูกตา tell your dad thank you
You have more? What happened?
มันก็ลาบอีกเบิ่ง
You get some of that lava.
ซุปหน่อไม้ขากเลยนี่
You get some of that lava. I love you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
ว้าว
Sorry, bro. Yeah, it's not here.
เบิ่งนะตำบักทั่วหมูกรอบมาเด้อคนเฮาเด้อไม่อยากกินคัก
Cook it already.
ๆเรื่องกินลาวๆกินไทยมาเลิกอยากกินหมูกรอบwith ตำบักทั่ว
Perfect, bro. Come on. Oh, alam.
กรอบหลำWow. That is amazing. ออกซิ่งงัวเงาะลามบอกแล้วเพิ่นว่า It's like this, you know. I don't cook, but I eat good food every day. You feel like having some really good Lao food? Tons of it. Everywhere. Good food. You know, and anything and every kind. Back home in the States, remember we wanted to eat? Man, it take a whole day to make it. But it was made with love, so it was definitely delicious. แซ่บหลายเค็มเบิ่งเนี่ย
I think you bring the kid food last.
แซ่บว้าวอ้าวเมื่อสักคนเป็นแบบไหนมาเด้อได้เมิดแล้วตี้Oh my goodness, that looks super sap, Aaron. All right, tell me how it is, all right? Why don't you take a bite? Turn around, look at the camera. Let me know.
That's really good.
Is it? Is it sap? Can you say sap? Yeah, sap. นั่งอยู่บ้านเฮ็ดหยังบ่ได้เฮ็ดหยังโอ้เมียป้องแล้วแซ่บหลายยังกินนะแซ่บบ่แม่บ่มีหนวด Good, no?
Use that thing, man.
Oh, how's your food, buddy? All right. How do you say? Sam. Yeah. Where that one? That's it, there, Okay. เอลเด้เอลบ่กินหลายเพราะว่าเอลมักกินของหวานถ้ากินของหวานกินข้าวแล้วกินของหวานมื้อเช้านี่ไปกินข้าวเช้ากันกินข้าวเช้าแล้วล่ะสั่งไอศกรีมOkay, look at the damage. We did good today. See? สั่งแบบพอดีกินอ้าว3ตัวนี่ไข่ไอ้มดแดงนี่เขาบอกกินโอ้ยกินตั้งใจฆ่าไอ้มดแดง มาเด้อหมวดนั้นก็ยีนอกคุณหมวดนั้นน่ะจักเว้าอย่างเรื่องกันเบิ่ง Big Boy Aaron พุ่นน่ะ All right, look at big boy Aaron right there. But yeah, we did good. We did real good, guys. All right.
ถ้ามากินแซ่บๆเนาะ
แม่น
มันละบ่จอยบ่ดีนะ
ข่อยคือมาจอยลง
เอ้ซะบ่
ข่อยจอยลงได้ข่อย Man, that was good food. Billy and his wife treated us. Thank you again, Billy. Yep, exactly. But hey, it's Mark and Step. Mark and Step. ไปกินแซ่บนำกันมากินแซ่บนำกัน Hey, ฮักกันแพงกันเด้อสาธุ